Hey everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about dashboard cameras. You could say a dashcam is like a CCTV for the driver. These cameras record a front-facing view of the road ahead as you drive. If you have an accident or witness one, this camera will save its footage to an SD card, and it will be ready to be used as evidence if needed. But choosing the best dashcam can be a bit difficult, especially if this is the first time you're buying one. Next, I will show you a brief video about each product, and I will also provide links with more information in the description for your convenience.
Right off the bat, you'll notice the 900 comes with speakers in the front and a 3-inch viewing screen. Turn to the back to find the camera, which can rotate 45 degrees left to right or up and down. Setup takes only a few minutes by first adding the plate and removing the plastic from the sticker. The power adapter is plenty long and connects at the top of the camera and can easily be hidden in the door frame, under the mat, and around the console. CR900 comes with a rear camera with a 240-degree rotation. Installation is the same as before. After the plastic is removed, placed in the center of the windshield. The cable plugs in next to the power cord and is double the size, allowing more than enough length for a large SUV. Once the car is turned on, the screen illuminates with a view of the front and rear cameras. An SD card is needed to record, which can be inserted on the side above the controls to navigate through the camera's functions. You can also turn the audio off, add a date stamp, and activate the G sensor, which will automatically record and save footage if ever in a crash. Crosstour has the ability to add a license number, select a variety of languages, and turn on the fatigue driving feature to be notified once a certain amount of driving has occurred. And if it couldn't get any better, the CR900 is GPS compatible.
We feel it all unfolding. Into the morning we'll take flight. It doesn't matter where we're going. Right now we know the ground we're standing on.
Hey, this is Sean from Owl. I'm going to show you how the Owl car camera protects you in crashes, traffic stops, and break-ins. Owl has an LTE connection, which means everything just works. When driving, the camera is always recording. The last 2 weeks of video is stored and privacy locked on my car cam, so only I can see it. The Owl Instant Video service makes sure I can always get to my driving history, live views of my car, and get video alerts when I'm away. I'll never need SD cards, cables, or a laptop. Without the service, I can still see my video over direct Wi-Fi, but I can't live view or receive alerts. When parked, Owl is on guard and lets me know immediately if something's happened to my car. Now let's go through how Owl works. This is the Owlcam app. Imagine that I have a pretty rough day. It all starts here when I get into a crash. Immediately after it happens, no matter where I am, the video's right here on my phone. No SD cards, no cables, no fiddling with Wi-Fi are needed. From here, I can make a clip and send it to my insurance company. And 10 out of the top 10 car insurance companies accept video footage as evidence. Then later, someone dents my car while I'm away. Owl has the IQ to tell between impacts and broken glass and sends me a video alert. Without Owl, I'd have no idea what happened or when it happened. I can also open up live view to see in real time what's going on in and around my vehicle. On top of all that, I get pulled over. I just tell Owl to keep recording. Another thing about Owl is that when I see something interesting or aggravating, I can say the words "Okay presto" and describe it to make a titled clip. That evening, I saw a lightning strike and said, "Okay presto, lightning strike." And in seconds, I had a clip to share to my friends. So that's how Owl works. The next time something happens to your car, with Owl, you'll have the video.
This is AKASO Trace 1 Pro Dual Dashcam with Wi-Fi to connect phone app and external GPS module to track your vehicle's speed, location, etc. Adopts dual Sony Starvis at front and inside lens, and 4 infrared LEDs at inside camera to get super clear night vision. Support dual recording 1080p 30, single recording 2K 30, front camera, 340 degrees viewing range to cover front and inside of car, reduce blind spots, more safe, built-in G sensor for locking the video when emergency. Also has parking monitor, loop recording, time display when screensaver, fatigue reminder when driving.
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. This is the real world. Accidents happen. You can't prevent damage from a hailstorm or a reckless driver sideswiping your parked car. But you can give yourself the security of knowing it will be caught on tape. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate.
You will find links with more details about each product in the description of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment about our selection. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.